Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is yet another review session, and in today's episode we are going to review the top 7 free placeholder apps. These are apps which are absolutely required by both developers as well as designers. These will help you create the prototypes beautiful, have the content layout created, the layout, the structure of the page, the architecture of the page, etc. Let's go ahead and review the top 7 placeholders. But before we do that, let me quickly touch base on what are placeholders. In UI design, placeholders are temporary or where we can place text or graphics in some or the other UI placement or in the drop down or select, etc. These placeholders kind of provide hints or examples to users as to what kind of information is expected. Typically, they'll have a lighter background color with a grayish color and then black text, etc. When you're building a page prototype or a layout, you need to use these placeholders just to see how the page architecture would look like. Again, it's equally important to both developers as well as designers. That being said, let's get started with our list. Alright, so the first and the foremost is placeholder.com. Now this particular website provides free image placeholder service. This is which is almost favored by all designers. You can use this application site to generate images of various sizes, colors, formats. You can generate placeholder, lorem ipsum text, etc. Absolutely amazing service, and I'm sure you have heard of this before. If not, do check it out at placeholder.com. The next one on our list is when you want to quickly have some text to put it in a div or an element and see how it looks, where the positioning of it, whether is it overflowing, whether it is not, etc. You can use loremipsum.io. It provides placeholder text commonly used in graphic, print, and publishing industries. You can easily generate any random text of any length that you want for your visual mockups. You can get it at loremipsum.io. Alright, now let's say you want to place some images. You're playing with a carousel, you're playing with the image grid, etc. You want some dummy image to be placed to see the positioning, to see how it would look on responsive devices, etc. As the name suggests, you can generate dynamic images and use them as placeholders with different sizes, colors, background colors, text, etc. You can get the placeholder at dummyimage.com. Alright, again, this is yet another dynamic image placeholder, which is LoremFlickr. Now it provides placeholders like if you're testing on a responsive devices, iPad, iPhone, web, just put the URL and the image would start appearing. Again, pretty cool service. We have a lot of options to choose from in terms of placeholders. So do check all of these so that you can choose whichever suits you, whichever you like, and you would start using that, I'm sure, on a daily basis whenever you need to prototype, to design the architecture, to design the layout of the application. You can get it at loremflickr.com. The next one is again if you want to search for a better images, stock free, mock images, etc. You can go to placeit.net. Now this is extremely popular among a lot of designers because you get to use a lot of real-time beautiful mock images. It has one of the largest collection out there and it serves almost all industries and domains. So that way you can make better looking prototypes, not just the placeholder. You can get it at placeit.net. Alright, now no list is complete without throwing some cat or dog images, right? So you can, if you are into that, you can use PlaceKitten.com. What it does is it would generate dynamic image generator with cat images. Extremely beautiful, especially if you are into some fun, want to have some fun while designing layouts or prototypes, or even for showing it to your business or clients about how the images would look. If you want to throw in some cats, use placekitten.com. Alright, the last one is whenever I use this personally a lot, especially when I want to get some text really and see how the div would fit, how the layout would look and how the typesetting would look, whether it will overflow, etc. Especially on responsive devices, I use this a lot for testing the content look and feel. You can use that easily at lipsum.com. It provides free random text. Again, just another I would say random text generator. I've covered all the websites that I've covered in this particular episode list. Does more or less the similar thing. You have the freedom to choose whichever you like. There is no good or bad among this list. All does more or less same thing. It's about your preference. Like I said, please do review all these websites. Do let me know which is your favorite among the list. If you have used any of these before, if yes, please do let me know in the comment section and your preference. If I have missed anything, please let me know in the comments, or you can write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please do like the video, share it, and stay tuned for more such reviews. If you want me to cover certain tutorials, certain tools, please do request me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to do that. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in some other review session.